Greetings everyone, it's another brand new weekend. And with every weekend comes a brand new tutorial on the frankcnero channel. Well, without further ado, let's get started.
It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Alright guys, in today's tutorial I'll be showing you on how to create stickers. Not just any sticker, but customized stickers which can be used in your regular conversations on WhatsApp. At first, you open the app called Background Eraser. Then you click on Load Photo to select the particular photo you'll be editing. You make your selection. Now the next step is to crop around the relevant areas, deleting the background. There's an in-depth tutorial on how to crop backgrounds on our channel. Go check it out later. Don't forget to rebuild any part of the photo which you've accidentally cropped. The moment you're done cutting out the image, you now have to adjust the feather. I choose to leave mine at 3, which for me is the best. Once you're done, you hit finish. Thereafter, we'll move on to the next app called Sticker Maker. You can get the Sticker Maker app from Google Play Store. The link in the description below. What we have to do here now is to import the picture which we just cut out the background. We open up, we select the picture, and remember the picture is already cut around the edges, so there will be no need to trim the edges anymore. You just proceed to the next stage where we apply the description on the picture. In applying the description of the picture, we click on text. Now you type whatever text you want to be placed on the picture. In this picture, I'll type "You are doing well." Once you're done with that, you have to realign the text to match with the picture. You can enlarge, rotate, whatever concept you wish for your picture, or should I say for your clip art. Now the moment you're done, all you have to do is to save by clicking the save button. And that's it. That's exactly how to create a customized clip art for your WhatsApp conversations, or just about anything you do on WhatsApp. Thank you very much for your time. Do leave a comment in the description, hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe. Finally, let's not forget a very big shout out to the owner of the picture used in today's tutorial. There's no other person down, Lasgidi Mouthpiece, a very unique comedian, a top-notch comedian, the best in whatever he does. He's just the bomb. Thank you very much. Do follow him, link to in the description. Thank you and God bless.
It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.